You know what's worse than a plant that won't grow? A plant that's under attack. Fungus gnats, spider mites, aphids. They sneak into your home, wreck your plants, and drive you crazy. But today, I've got the ultimate guide to stopping these pests before they even get a chance. Stick around, because at the end, I'm revealing a secret weapon that'll keep your indoor garden pest-free for good. Let's dive in. First up, who are the troublemakers? Fungus gnats love moist soil and organic matter. Spider mites, they thrive in dry, warm conditions. And aphids, they hitch a ride on new plants and explode in numbers before you even notice. The real kicker? You might be the one bringing them inside. Grocery store plants, potting soil, and even your clothing can carry these unwanted guests. Here's where we take action. I call this the 3-layer defense: soil, plant, and air. First, let's dry out that top layer. Gnats love damp soil. Use sand or fine gravel as a top dressing. It stops them from laying eggs. Try bottom watering instead of top watering. Less surface moisture means fewer gnats. Adding a little diatomaceous earth to your soil mix helps dehydrate and kill gnat larvae before they hatch. Next, new plants? Quarantine them. Keep them separate for a week and check for any unwanted visitors. Wipe leaves with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Prevention is easier than treatment. If you spot spider mites, try blasting them off with a strong stream of water before using sprays. Sometimes, physical removal is the best first step. Finally, yellow sticky traps, gnat magnets. Place them around your plants to catch those sneaky flyers. Use a small fan. Good airflow makes it harder for gnats and mites to thrive. Cinnamon and hydrogen peroxide sprays can help keep fungus and eggs from taking over. Keep a consistent humidity level. Too dry invites spider mites, too wet invites gnats. A small humidity monitor can help you find the perfect balance. All right, I promised a secret weapon. And here it is, a homemade pest trap that works like magic. What you need: a shallow dish, apple cider vinegar, a few drops of dish soap, and plastic wrap with tiny holes. Set this near your plants and watch as gnats dive in, never to return. This trick has saved my indoor garden more times than I can count. Pro tip: if you have a severe gnat problem, introduce beneficial nematodes to your soil. They're microscopic warriors that hunt down gnat larvae and stop the problem at the root. And just like that, your indoor garden is safe, healthy, and pest-free. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share this video with a fellow plant lover. And don't forget to subscribe. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next one.